You can edit a report name up at the top, or you can do a new saved report as well. Now if you're ready to run the report, if you have other reports that you want to add on to, maybe you're doing a couple sales analysis reports, a couple bestseller reports, you can do this Add Job and Continue button down at the bottom. So I could do this report, I could click on Add Job and Continue, and then I could do an additional report. Once I get to that last report, then I can click on Add Job and Run, and it'll run all of those reports. We're going to just click on Add Job and Run down at the bottom. And this will bring us to our report history, where we can click and select that report. We can open it, save it, or cancel it. If we save it, we can save it anywhere to our hard drive. I'm going to go ahead and open it. This will bring the report up on the screen. If I want to zoom in, I can click on that and zoom in to make it bigger. So we did this report for all the suppliers, and it lists all the suppliers down below. This is the on-hand section where you see the quantity on hand, the active selling price, the total value, percent of store, the average cost, the total value of cost and the percentage of store that, the number of SKUs, and then you go into the sales information to the right, where you see the quantity of sales, the net sales, percent store, markdown percent, profit, percent of store, gross profit percent, ROI, and turns. If I wanted to go page by page, I could scroll down, or I could click on the arrow for the next page. I could also go to the last page by clicking on that arrow. If I want to go to the first page, I can click on the one pointing to the left. That'll take me back to the first page. I can search for something on this report. I can print it directly to the printer by clicking on the printer icon, or I can save a copy somewhere to my hard drive. And then if I wanted to, I could attach that to an email and email it to someone like a supplier. From the report history, I can also edit this report. So if I click on Edit Criteria, I could edit any of the criteria, and maybe I wanted to change the output method to Excel. I could choose Excel and click on Add Job and Run. This will again bring me to the report history, and now you see the new one, and you see the file type is Excel. That first one is Adobe, which is in the report format, the PDF, and now we have an Excel. So if I clicked on this, this would open it up in Excel. If I clicked on Open, and now you have an Excel, so you can manipulate this and sort it the way you want. So this gives you an idea of what's entailed in the sales analysis report and the different ways that you can run this report.